Hello to everyone. Here is another video on the building public. Today we're going to address the importance of the events near you section on Nextdoor. You can publish on a regular basis some events that you want to organize and draw some friends and potential customers to the events you organize. So you will have to go on the left hand side in the discover section. So I'm here connected on my customer account in Paris, and you will have here in the center part the larger area. So this is Paris. Customer is located in Chinatown district, south east of Paris, the 13th district. And you have here basically a drop down with a list of upcoming events and some small businesses advertise here for free some upcoming events, and the events can be open for everyone or some paid entrance, depends on what they want. And basically you can see by clicking discover more events and see have a better look at what they are offering. So basically my recommendation is to organize such event at least once a month. That is part of your visibility policy strategy on Nextdoor. If you are lacking of ideas on what to organize, team up with some of your friends or neighbor businesses, and you can organize once an event with at their place, another event at your place, or outdoor, or renting a location. So there's no limitation about that, and you can have more and more visibility on the website like this. So I encourage you to use it regularly. That will be part of your visibility strategy and get more leads. So if you do it regularly, redirect them also on don't forget to advertise this not only here but only also on your personal profile or in your group or even on your business page. So broadcast this as much as you can without spamming, and put some nice description, nice picture, engaging picture, and you can add also videos. Don't leave description like this with no picture, it's not really engaging. But as you see, for example, here this business is unfortunately posting 3 times or even 4 times the same post. That does not make sense, but the person doing that is occupying then a larger property size somehow. I don't know how to say that in English properly, but yeah, so he's occupying more space. Here this one is also published 2 times, does not make sense. Oh, well, we saw it, publish it again. So that's 7 times. So he was not, that person was not shy in publishing it a lot. So, and we can see here people interested in going there. You have the opportunity to also add more text. You could have a link to a landing page so people can register, put your email address, your website. Here this one is a paid workshop, which is related to yoga probably and meditation. And yeah, they have even published it in some group, so which is good. So very good. Tech model on what they do and do it even better. And that's it for today. If you have any question on how to automate this, our company is here to support you so that you spend more time with your customer and not more time on Nextdoor. keep it to the minimal, and we can automate for your business to improve your presence and get more leads every day. If you like the video, leave a like. If you have a question, do not hesitate in the comment. I will monitor the comments and reply to them next time, and subscribe, and I see you soon for next video.